Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Steph, and today we are excited to share with you how to build your own laundry room folding table. And this is week 3 of the One Room Challenge. If you missed weeks 1 and 2, go check out those videos right now. Link is above.
All right, I need to determine how high I need my sides to be and then how far back. My washer and dryer will not go back any further because of the venting in the pipe. So they are gonna poke out further than my cabinetry. So for the height, I'm just going to measure up and then I'm going to add in about 1 inch. I wanted the top, my folding top, to come to about here, which will be 29.5 inches. So
The side panels were then stained black to match the cabinetry we installed, and then we applied 2 coats of wipe-on poly for protection and durability, and then we used the brad nailer to secure the side panels into the studs on the wall. Then we marked where the wood trim to the edge of the cabinetry was and secured this side panel into the cabinetry. For the laundry folding table top, we actually used an old dining table my mom found on classifieds. She wanted a really chunky wood, and this was perfect. And with the rise in wood costs right now, this was really a cost-effective way to get this chunky look. Remember these unique end pieces? Well, now that the table is cut to size, we are going to attach them back on. So we're using a Craig jig to do this, to drill some pocket holes that we can then securely screw this larger tabletop piece into these end pieces. In all, we drilled 3 sets of pocket holes on each end of the table.
you may go.
Here's a look at the table all put back together to our correct dimensions.
From the scraps of cutting off and making this table shorter, I took the two pieces to practice how I was going to finish this tabletop. And so let me just point out what the different stain colors are. This one right here is just dark wax. This one here is just a matte finish polyurethane. This here is a vinegar stain. And down here is just a clear wax. And this one is a mixture of clear wax and dark wax. And this is the one I'm choosing to do. I like that it can get in a little bit of the dark in some of the imperfections in the wood. So it's going to make it look old. But I lose the yellow tone that I get from pine, but it's not too dark. So that's what we're going to do, is do a mixture of dark and clear wax.
When working with wax, it's important to use a wax brush and apply it in a circular motion. This is going to help the wax get down into the grain of the wood, which will give it some protection from daily use, and it also will put that darker color of wax that we are using down into the little nicks and dings in the wood, bringing out the imperfections, making this look even more aged. Now take a lint-free cloth and gently wipe away any excess wax and allow the tabletop to completely dry, and then complete with buffing.
I just love the way this turned out, especially the finish on the wood. I was able to keep some of that character of the divots and the dings that were naturally in the wood, and I was able to highlight them by using that combination of the light and the dark waxes, which makes it feel old and have a sense of history to it. I also love the fact that I was able to get a really good match to the cabinetry which I had bought for my laundry room by mixing a couple of different stains. And this space is so functional. I've really never had a folding table in my laundry room. And so this is going to be a game changer for this space. I'm going to have space to fold my laundry right in the laundry room. Plus, I've got all this extra storage as well. One other thing this laundry table does is it covers that crack between your washing machine and dryer. And have you ever lost a sock or something down behind the washing machine or in between the two appliances? I have many times, and I don't have to worry about that anymore. It's just going to be a more functional space for us to use, and I absolutely love it.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and share your comments below. We love hearing from you, and share this with your friends. Please subscribe for more tutorials, and as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.